So we are making it out today. Not the video I expected. Meeting up with Bob. Did expect that, but no. Unfortunately, last night a cruise ship ran into the Key Bridge and actually made it collapse within seconds. So that is about a half an hour north. We are going to try to make it up there to see essentially if we can see anything. I brought the drone. Don't know if I'm going to be able to get that out, but gonna hope so. So we're going to jump on the bikes, head up to Pasadena, meet up with our friend Andy, and see what we can find. Nice to meet you in person.
Yeah, for sure, man. How you doing?
Doing well. The instant torque is ridiculous. I need an adapter.
I don't know, man.
Honestly, these binoculars are worth more to me than the drone right now.
I do want to take it 5 times, so I want to see that actually. Yeah, definitely. This is great. Cool.
All right, so this is a little bit of a unusual way to end the videos, but yeah, I don't know, like, kind of stinks to say, but like in our society nowadays, like seeing videos of that bridge falling, it didn't really sink in until I actually could physically see it with my eyes that it was gone. I used to drive over that bridge all the time, used to ride with friends that lived across that bridge all the time. Like, it fell roughly like between 1:30 in the morning this morning. There were so many times I drove that bridge coming home at roughly that time, or a little bit earlier, a little bit later, but I don't know, finally seeing it, it kind of like really sunk in, and I just was kind of lost for words. It's just mind-blowing that that bridge is gone. Like, just seeing that the bridge is still actually like on the cargo ship that hit the support is just mind-blowing. It's nuts. It's not the video that I thought I was going to be making today, but yeah, it is crazy. So if you guys have tuned in for this one and especially watched till the end, thank you. And if you guys have liked it, of course, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.